What's up, guys? MalevolentFox here with hello,
Carlos.
Tabby.
Jesus, like it took that long to answer.
I'm sorry.
So today we're playing together MarioParty3. I'm not using my mic, so the audio might be a bit louder than before because I'm using the audio from PC.
Tabby.
Stop it. So we're playing, like I said, MarioParty3. We're just gonna have fun and see who's the best in this game.
Me. No.
That's a laugh. No, that's not what I meant. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't control this.
No, you can't.
No, I don't want to hear the rules. Shut up. Well, dog, we're playing with 3 players and a machine.
Really?
Now, whoever's second player, give me fucking.
Oh, so neither of these two work?
What do you mean? No, I switched it. Now you're using the analog stick. You wanted it as the analog stick, so I did. Press A.
That's just X. That's not an A.
Well, in her case, that is fucking thingy. So
You think it's like fuck normal?
I don't give a shit.
Yeah, you
I don't know. Normal.
You can think about it like that. Normal.
No handicap.
A, B, Y, and X. It's the same thing. It's just that they put.
So where you guys want to go?
Don't care.
I don't know. I can't see.
I gave you an answer.
Put speed words. Let's go. 20. Oh, the turns. 20 turns. Yes, this is okay. Now let's go. Let's roll. Alright, so Jesus, make space. Tabby, come on this side. Because that way you can be.
Yeah, it is. Because the controller is over here.
That's why I got that for a reason.
Oh, it's over
I
there.
didn't know. You don't tell me I don't know.
Oh my god, you guys are.
What are you talking about? I ain't doing anything.
You're existing.
That's fucked up. I should slap you for that. Oh, really? You get first? I get third because of Waluigi.
I always wait to see what X again.
Press X.
A.
X.
A.
X.
You're thinking about it as A. The
No. Stop confusing me.
X. Jeez.
Please don't bend the cable. You had it like, no, you had it like this and it was bending it.
Go.
Alright, so the stars here, you have to have 20 coins in order to get one, and the one who has most stars at the ending wins.
Okay.
But if there's 2 guys that has the same amount of stars, the way they win is by coins.
You can also just start in the ending.
And you can, yeah, the bonus, if you did like certain things on minigame, you'll get bonus by that. You can also steal someone's star with a boo by paying 50 coins. And I get 1 step? Really?
I'm sorry?
No.
Press X.
A.
In this case, it's X on that remote. Now you choose to go up and down, but go forward.
How do I?
You should go up.
Press S or side.
You should go
I
up.
want side.
Then just press X. Now that's the shop for items. You either choose yes to buy an item or no.
You should get out the man.
Should I buy an item?
Do you want to buy
Do you want to? Press up.
I guess.
She just
Alright,
pressed.
buy something.
Poison mushroom to just poison mushroom is basically.
You should get a bouncer suit. If someone's in front of you, you can take their coins or something.
What that does, you put it on somebody and they can only get a block of 3, up to 1 to 3 steps.
Okay.
If you choose that on yourself, then you're done. Oh my god.
Because you can always make it work.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's this one. You gotta find the mushroom and whoever's giant ends up running onto
So I
everything.
move all around in this, right?
Yeah. And then A is to jump. And you can punch at square. Oh no! There it is! No! Who got? Oh, I got it. I'm crushing your asses.
Like,
Get over here! God damn it!
No!
Sorry, children, you're gonna die!
No!
What?
You're dead.
Because Luigi's the best.
That's dumb.
Lies.
Hey, speak louder.
No.
Yeah. Because I got the #1 crown. Yeah, and there's some events in some maps where now, since the thing's that way, you will go that way.
Only 3.
Funny how Tabby has the freaking thingy. Oh, Carlos dirty. The Bowser suit is, there we go, 10. Will you take it?
No.
No.
I'm not gonna play this game.
I know. I never said you didn't. You, me, Louis, and Ed used to play it.
Yeah, I wanna play the band.
And you get towed? But don't buy a I knew it. It gives you 2 blocks to get through. Basically, that's what it does. Also, if you're lucky enough, hidden in the blue blocks, there may be a star hidden.
Or coins.
Oh hey, I'm going back for a reason. Item. Ha, it's a lucky day. Answer me. Okay.
Are you a eater?
Yes. Reverse mushroom. Oh, I can go reverse and go the other way. Yeah, works. Press B for if you want to use the item. Never mind. Now what will you do? Either go. Well, you don't have a key, so you might as well just press X. So you only got 20 scars. Oh, you guys are up against me.
You have to win this one.
If you want pull.
What's
I
that?
don't know what that means.
Hold on. Oh, it's simple. See, it'll show up the where is it?
It'll show the buttons.
So we're gonna see.
A, B, and C.
What the fuck is? See, we're practicing now. So
Which one is A and B? Is it
no A and B. So you're
Z?
Yeah. So babe, you're B. So you're gonna press B. You're Z, Carlos. So you're gonna press thingy. I have to press all 3 buttons. Babe, you're B. You have to wait till it shows up. You're only 1 button. Everyone's 1 button at that time. I'm by myself, so I have to do it rapidly. You guys are gonna beat me. You guys got a machine on your side. Ah! No! It's a practice. It's a practice. Okay.
So don't break.
Still learning. Yeah, it doesn't mean we're getting the same button.
Okay.
Damn.
Yes, I get it, but you know how competitive I am.
Yeah, so calm your titties.
What was that? That sounded like a song.
Oh, we did get the same button. Okay.
No.
One.
I fucked up. I fucked up.
Oh wait, no, she's gonna get the star now.
Man?
Yes.
Yay.
Fuck.
You won. You're gonna get 20 coins now.
You all do. Get 10 coins.
Yeah. So now she has enough to get the first star and go and lead.
Yay.
I'm gonna take the lead. I can't believe this. And this is her first time playing.
I guess I'm lucky. Beginner's luck?
Yeah, beginner's luck. I'll give you that.
Of course, I have to go the other way.
Hey, you get coins from this. Oh, you know what sucks though, Carlos? Left and right. You chose coins instead of oh yeah, because you got the bank right there. So bank will take your money on purpose, no matter how many times. If you land on it while there's money in it, you take it all.
Okay.
But if there's nothing, that's clean. Also, if you get 3 and 3, 9 and 9, you'll get 10 points from the big star dude for combining 2 fucking numbers. It's 2 or 3 in a 3 dice one. Yeah, it's always 5. So if you're broke, it doesn't matter. Oh, you got a mini game. Oh well, congratulations, machine. Winner's wheel.
What's that?
Oh wheel.
It's a wheel. Literally a winner's wheel. He just chooses thingy and whatever item lands on it. Oh, there's no Boo Bell. Good. Boo Bell allows him to summon the Boo to steal either coins or star. But he doesn't have 50, so he can't steal the star, and no one has a star. I don't know why I said the moon. Oh, he got the poison mushroom. See, here's the thing with the machines. They will always target the first person. The one who's first.
Yeah.
Always.
So your friends are coming for you. So you better prepare for that.
You can get a boo repellent to be able to make the boo go away, but you have to wait till Toad shows up on the store. If you're lucky.
And he'll offer.
Yep. Yeah, I know I put it on myself, but there was a reason why I did it.
Why?
So I can go this way. I'm not going all the way around. Hey. Magic lamp. Hi. That's
I don't have enough to buy it.
I know.
The next round,
The next 2 rounds.
Yeah.
It's a cheatsy cheats.
Wait, how come you get to choose a way? Oh,
Because of the reverse mushroom. The reverse mushroom lets me choose anything.
yeah, we get to start now.
Now say yes. Click. There you go. Congratulations, Tabby got the fucking star. Great.
She's in first place now. Have fun fighting that NPC.
Yep. Looks like the PC's gonna be targeting her ass. And it's up there next, well, up above, below Boo. Also, try not to step on,
Congratulations, you got 5 points.
She gets the star, steps on the bank, gets 5 points.
And it's
Beginner's luck?
Oh no, free for all.
Yeah. Fucking hell, man. It's the one with the water where you gotta press rapidly A and then press B. Okay, we're going for a practice. Hold on.
Rapidly press A and then B.
Yeah, so you're gonna rapidly press A. This one, you gotta press it rapidly, and when you're next, and then when you're next to a bomb, press B to swim under it.
What's B?
The square. He swallow you. So you gotta. Oh no, I blew up. Ah.
Retry it?
We can, I can quit it and retry again, because this is bullshit.
How do you know? Can you hold it down to dive deeper?
No, it just goes under the bomb, that's it. And you gotta press rapid A. You can't let go of A for shit. You gotta keep swimming while pressing B.
That's fine.
Yeah, you can't let go of A. You gotta press B. You gotta rapidly keep going with A and then press B at the same time.
I didn't know.
Yeah, so you gotta rapidly keep going with A and then press B when you're close to the thingy. It'll still work.
Okay.
Oh my god! This is a practice, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah,
this is just a demonstration of how to do it. This is fucking dumb. Oh, we won.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh no, he died. Oh, okay, it's whoever makes it first. Okay, got it.
You know about who survived.
Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it, baby. You're gonna press it rapidly, and you gotta keep like that. You're gonna have to keep.
When you're gonna sink, you hold this and you still keep pressing A.
Okay.
Yeah. No, you press it. You just tap it. Just tap B and that's
Yeah,
it. It'll
that's
go
it.
under. But you have to be close to the bomb. Here's the problem. There's bombs that are moving, so you gotta time your diving on it.
Okay.
So now it's the real deal.
I could try. Make no guarantees.
I gotcha. Don't worry. Me neither, because that was just a practice. No, don't press dive. It's only one time.
I saw it anyway.
No, don't say that.
I did. I wasn't in my fish.
That's a giant fish. Ooh. Oh my god!
Go, Danny, go! Go, Danny, go! Avoid the bombs!
Oh. Sorry, children. You're dead.
Close.
I know.
But I still love you.
I love you too.
Oh, that was close.
It was.
Team second, so I think now you get going.
No, it's in a battle.
Yeah.
The battle ones that you actually get.
I don't care. That was still pretty good. I'll give myself that.
It is. At least we're not doing MarioParty3 with the skateboards.
Yeah.
The ghost. Where are you going? Up or down?
I don't care. Take on me.
You can get a star. That is, if you had 40, you could have gotten 2. Oh wait, no. I was about to say you stepped on Bowser.
I thought I was.
There's a point where Bowser will be like, oh hey, I'll just take everyone's coin.
On me?
Wait, why did he put it on you?
I guess he doesn't like you.
Oh, because you're... I don't know. Okay. Wow, one more.
Shut up and take.
Oh, she lost the money. Now we're against her. It's everyone against you, love. Ridiculous, really. Oh.
I don't know what that is.
She got it easy. She's flying, avoiding the missiles while we're doing this bullshit.
So I don't do anything?
No,
you gotta dodge up and down.
You're only just dodging.
Look, you're gonna go like
practice?
this. Yes, it's practice. You're gonna go up and down and move forward. See, like this. And dodge the fucking Goombas and shit.
You got the easiest part. We have to rapidly press buttons.
I'm the one that's gonna fuck up here because I already fucking thingy. You gotta avoid all of them by going up and down. In either way, we lose because the second one, Carlos, you have the easiest one.
Yeah, I know.
Because it's A. His is up, down, B. Oh my god. Because his is up, down. It's up and down, A and A. Up A, up, down. It's up, down, A, up A, down A, B, A.
No, look, it switches.
Yeah, no, it's up A, down A, B, up B, down B.
Yeah.
And it's ridiculous.
Tabby's already ahead.
Dude, like, this is ridiculous. And then Carlos is like the last one to get there. And if by the time we thingy, Tabby gets there by flying, she wins. It doesn't matter. We're not quick enough.
I already got that.
This is the most impossible minigame. Even with a machine.
Beginner's luck?
That's some crazy beginner's luck if you have to.
Now, time to rapidly get there.
Yeah, you gotta go real quick.
I don't know how to drive.
See, and we go slower. She goes so fast.
What do you mean you're slowing down? I don't know why. It's slowed down. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, Luigi. Luigi. Wow. An inch. She already passed Luigi. It's over.
No, he can still send her back. If she hits one more.
Don't pull too much, babe.
Sorry. I'm trying.
Come on, Carlos. Wow, dude. She fucking won anyways. Oh my god, by an inch.
That's some bullshit.
What? It's the glide. It's more faster no matter what.
Beginner's luck.
And
I
this
don't
one I was
know.
rapidly pressing it.
You were rapidly pressing it.
And I was throwing myself into everything.
I don't know anymore. Carlos, you got the poison mushroom. Hey, you got a mini game.
Never mind that.
Oh, hey, let's see.
Can you be patient for things you really want?
No.
No. What I got? Yes.
Fuck. Ah.
Oh shit, the star's ahead of us.
Yeah, but he can't buy it if he wins next time.
Yeah, if he wins next time.
Well, there goes my coin. Yeah, take my money, you cunt. Oh, I went to the dark zone.
If you go up, you gotta. Yeah, minigame.
Yeah. Oh, she got a minigame. Let's see what it is. Bobbing ball balloons. Oh, this
Is that
one.
what you choose to balloon? Was it?
Yeah. You're gonna choose. You see the balloon?
Blue bell.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be the furthest.
No, it's not. So you're gonna press start. And you're gonna hold on. You're gonna wait till it goes down.
One.
And then you're gonna shoot.
Fish!
You were supposed to wait till a balloon was in your way.
No, I didn't know how to play.
It was timing.
It was timing. I was trying to tell you that, but you pressed A too quickly.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's watch next time.
Oh, it's a team battle.
Right.
You're with the machine. She won. She's with the machine. Baby Bowser outside.
I don't know.
Oh, I think we have to shoot him off, I think. Oh, no, it's the one who, you just shoot.
That's wrong?
Yeah, what you're gonna do, baby, is you're gonna aim with this. So we're gonna spin and you gotta aim it down to the Bowser. Whoever gets the highest, the team that gets the highest score is the one that wins.
Stop!
So you gotta aim to it. You see like that, how you're shooting at it? You gotta aim across off the wall. So apparently it's up and down for me. Babe, press up and down to aim thingy.
That's a machine though. That's getting shot at that.
Reals. That's why I said she won. That fucking machine's gonna get the star.
Look at that. By 3. The machine's got that on point shots.
It's an on point shooting. And it's not just up and down. It's when you're spinning, you go whatever direction you think to spin it. So since I'm on the side, I'm up and down. You gotta press left and right to aim it. And then it'll switch eventually. Damn, look at that shit. Carlos, I'm really trying, kid.
I'm really trying to. I'm freaking out.
Oh, that is some BS. We won. That is.
Tried mad hard this time.
We were trying harder this time.
Thank you,
Oh, I'm too bad. I'll clean it later. It's right up there.
Jesus, but that freaking machine. He's got all the shots.
I'm sorry.
What?
I'm sorry.
You should be.
You won't be able to use the lamp on this one first. Since it's the first time.
Wait. Oh, motherfucker. That's true. Oh no, I'm getting it anyway. So.
Maybe as you want to.
No. That's to switch the sign to the other side. So no.
That'll be my star.
That's okay. I'll get it next turn.
But now I'm gonna get targeted even more.
Oh, it's right. Why did you switch? Why?
What?
It switched me to the other side. Can't.
Yeah.
Hello.
What's lucky land?
Oh, it removes the star from place. So if it's like over there and you can't get to it, you're like, bye, and it sends it to another area. But I wouldn't buy anything.
I'll go about it.
Oh, well, that'll do.
Shit.
And you lose money.
I like how you got 9 too. And you paid to switch it.
After I was already... Oh.
That's just gonna come. Oh, I get what he's trying to do.
Trying to make the company...
No, he's trying to make Tyler go the opposite direction. So he can't go to the star.
No, that's the right direction. Oh, next turn, yeah. It'll go the
He
opposite.
landed where I was.
That's fine. Because that starts mine.
Do you even have enough?
Yes. I won last game with
Oh,
you.
yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
I'll be taking that. Thank you very much. How generous. I'll be second and Carlos will be third.
For now. Only by 1 coin.
Literally. Now the star moves into... Wow. We just gave him the star.
No, because me or Waluigi don't have the money.
Oh yeah, that's true.
We need to have the money, even if we win.
Oh my god, I was gonna say battle. Dory dip. Oh, I know where I'm going.
Oh, yeah.
Yo hago para que se acuerde. Sí. Ya seguro me lo pasé dinero. le han dado un cheque.
Sí.
Aquí hay la demanda. Hombre, caso, vamos todos a trabajar. ¿Oíste? Tú te vas conmigo, ¿está bien?
Sí.
Pero las panas salen a nombre de Sky y a nombre de mí.
What? Oh, that's right.
Porque a nombre mío no puedo porque yo soy seguro social.
Wow.
You did something
Después vamos a hablar
stupid.
más adelante. ¿Está bien?
That was time based and I got Bowser.
Yeah, and there was a lucky, there was a magic lamp.
Another magic lamp there waiting for me to grab it and I got the Bowser.
Da-da-da.
That was
Can't
not.
see.
I'm sorry.
Well, at least you got money. 2v2.
2v2, me and Tabby.
And I'm looking at
Lot
Slink?
Slot Slink.
No, it's Slink. Slink.
Oh, you and I have to match. You just press.
It's timing based too.
It's a timing base. Like this. You see these two?
Yeah.
We gotta match it. Also, sorry about the background. It's crappy. I don't know why. You throw him first, baby. Damn it. See, the thing is that
It's units per size.
yeah, don't get Bowser.
That's exactly what I just thought.
I suck at this. Really?
Oh,
He takes points.
By
I
1
didn't
point. We only won by 1 point. The machine is precise at all times.
Okay. He's precise in timing at all times, and he's on normal.
I already got a Bowser.
Hey, me and Tabby. Luckily you didn't get it.
Oh, damn.
Damn it.
Oh my god, Bowser.
Damn it.
you go.
That'll do? Oh my god. Really?
I didn't even know.
Me neither. We lost. We were on the lead.
And we got 2 toads. 6 points.
That fucking sucks.
I'm sorry about that.
It's only 10 though. We can't get the star regardless.
No, we can't.
Well, I'm talking about me and Waluigi.
Well, yeah, you and Waluigi can't.
We can't get the star regardless. This is
B, press X, yeah. You're gonna call? Boop, 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 boop. Why are you taking yourself to Bowser?
Oh, I am?
Wow.
I thought that was for item.
You took yourself for... He just took everyone's coins.
20 coins.
Everyone's on 0.
Hey, that works for me.
Jesus. So we're all first. You and me and Tabby are all first.
That works for me.
Wait, battle? Oh, but there's no coins.
Yeah.
No coins, no game.
Yep. You can't get started if he had 18, so technically I saved you guys.
Basically, yeah, but he gets all the coins now. I knew that was gonna happen.
Only 10.
Yeah, when he wins next time, then...
That's so hard.
Yeah, but he has to make the whole routine again.
Yeah, he does. And I think I got red. I fucking knew
And you
it.
just lost no coins.
Hey, I need the coin, so...
2v1 again? No,
Oh, it's a free for all. Curtain call. Oh, we gotta watch the fucking...
Oh, where they place everything, right?
No. It's gotta be the Goombas, Ghosts,
Guess
and...
order?
Yeah, no, guess how many of them are in the stage
Did
at
you
the
put
time.
practice?
Yeah. Fuck. So there's a Goomba. Oh, it's gonna say who was on the left, right, or middle. And you gotta choose who. Who was third person to the left? Obviously, Ghost.
I can't even see my screen.
I don't know.
And press A, baby, on Ghost.
I can't even see my option.
Yeah, I don't know why. Now he starts dancing. Even the machines can't get right. Okay. Alright, so there's 2 Goombas, 2, and a Ghost. And he's gonna ask a question. Who was 4th person from the right? So
Wasn't that?
Yellow.
yeah, he was the 4th to the right. Oh, we got it wrong.
I knew it was a Goomba. I had a feeling.
Oh, cause he said right.
4th person to the.
Yeah, he's the 5th.
That's not the right though. That's left.
No, left is this side.
No, left is this side.
No, he's meaning from his side.
Oh, okay.
His perspective, right? So he's standing in front of us.
Yeah.
To him, this is the right. To him,
Yeah.
so
Left and right.
so his
Left makes
perspective.
an L.
They both make out.
No, one makes it in the correct direction.
Yeah. So now, who was the first person to the left?
Turtle.